I'm Hannah with Midland County Public Libraries, and for today's Fun Friday, we're going to be making rainbow lightning. So you'll need a spray bottle with water, some paper, this is watercolor paper, a cookie sheet, a couple of strong magnets, and food coloring. Let's get started. Right. So the first thing you're going to do is put some food coloring, just dots of it, across the top of your page. I am using primary colors, so red, yellow, blue, because I want to see color mixing. I want to see what colors I get when these colors blend together. Okay, we can put some more dots down here if we want to. That's probably enough. All right, so now you're going to use your cookie sheet. So the cookie sheet is here so you don't make a big old mess all over everything. So use your magnets to stick your paper to the cookie sheet. And now you'll want to prop it up against something vertical. You can use a wall or a chair, whatever you want. It just needs to be vertical. So you prop it up, and then you'll start spraying the bottom of the paper. Make sure you start with the bottom and work your way up to the top. Whoa! Oh my goodness. That's super cool. I should have used less dots, and then you would be able to see the colors making lightning, blending into each other. But it's still cool. I hope you guys enjoyed today's Fun Friday. Make sure to tune in next week for another cool activity.